Uh, Today I'm making a sour and salt dough, and as for I need now is only like two balls or the two pizzas only. So that's I get the all-purpose flour, and after that olive oil, 15 grams, and salt and sugar each amount 12.5 grams, and the yeast. This one is 9.5 grams. So 9.5 grams of the yeast and 12.5 of salt, 12.5 grams of the sugar, and the 15 grams of olive oil, and the water is minus 200 of 75 grams of the water. So this one is I'm going to mix. Keep for 15 minutes for the rest. So I'm going to rest up these things for the 15 minutes. Okay, so finally after 15 minutes done and the yeast is ready. Okay, so I'm going to add the flour. So one by one, little bit flour, mixing. Mix well.
Adding more flour. And final mix off.
So I'm mixing by hand, so that means it's approximately take 15 minutes around, but the by mixer is 7 minutes only as a standard. Now flour is mixed well.
So now I'm going to add the olive oil all over the dough.
Dough mixing is done, so ready. Now I'm going to keep her proof my dough. It's approximately like 1 hour. So basically I'm keeping in the room temperature, so that's why I'm keeping only 1 hour only now, guys. So put some olive oil already done, so I'll clean pin then. So here we go. Now we will keep for 1 hour. Here is our dough after 1 hour. So I make already two portion of the dough, two ball. So I will ball this one. So you can ball this way, and you can keep here another ball. Yes. Now you can keep inside the chiller around 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then you can slap your pizza, then you can make your pizza. This is our dough after 45 minutes. It's ready, and here we go. Then as you like, whatever the ingredients you can put, like meat, either vegetable, and definitely there was pizza sauce. Thank you guys for watching.